Hello and welcome to IMAST Mumbai, which stands for Institute for Medical and Minimal Access Surgery Training. Here we're going to start the country's first TAVR program on beating heart animal model. And TAVR is one of the expanding areas of interventional cardiology, i.e. transcatheter aortic valve replacement or implantation, i.e. TAVI. But the number of courses in India to give a near hands-on experience or near human experience are limited. And to address this shortcoming for TAVR training in India, IMAST has come up with this program. So here we have a holistic course to train senior cardiologists, i.e. fully trained cardiologists, towards becoming independent TAVR operators. The whole course is a full one-day program. The course starts with didactic lectures where cardiologists will have to come into Mumbai, and once the didactic lectures on the kit, case selection, CT planning, everything is finished, then they go on to a simulator training where they learn how to deploy a TAVR using computer based model simulations. Once that is done, they come to this sophisticated animal lab. They will go on to learn how to implant on animal models. Here we have a porcine model. This is an in-house developed animal model within IMAST, whereby the porcine animal model is artificially connected to machines using sophisticated technology, whereby they have a beating heart model. So for the learning surgeon or the cardiologist who comes for this course, they have almost a near human experience. With fluoroscopy, they actually see where they're going, they can see the valve deployment, and it can't get any closer to a human implant other than an actual human implant. So I hope this will help many patients.